How do I check at runtime if one class is a subclass of another? Let's say that I have a class suit and 4 subclasses of suit: heart, spade, diamond, club. I have a method which receives a suit as a parameter, which is a class object, not an instance. More precisely, it may receive only one of the 4 values: heart, spade, diamond, club. How can I make an assertion which ensures such a thing? Something like, I'm using Python 3.
A subclass, class info. Assert. Return true if class is a subclass, direct, indirect, or virtual of class info.
You can use a subclass like this: assert, a subclass, suit.
You can use isInstance if you have an instance, or isSubclass if you have a class. Normally thought it's a bad idea. Normally in Python you work out if an object is capable of something by attempting to do that thing to it.
The isSubclass sub Boolean function returns true if the given subclass sub is indeed a subclass of the superclass sub.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.